Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to fix OmeTV camera loading error. So what you have to do is simply go to your settings. So you'll have to simply go to settings on your browser. And then what you have to do next is simply go to privacy and security. And then you'll have to simply go to site settings. And then here you have to simply go to OmeTV. And then here what you have to do is simply click on delete data, and after that you have to simply click on reset permissions, and then you have to simply go to camera and then make sure to allow the camera, and then basically that's all you have to do in order to fix OmeTV camera. And then basically what you have to do is simply click on reload here when you go back to OmeTV, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.